Shut the boy, I run up. Them stinking out.
Yeah, I bet you go to the laugh to people in my laugh after you. Yeah, the things on the right. Or if you despise.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. So as you see the description of the video that we are about to talk about, you see me? So right now Amari and Gully Bop are man in a battle, a musical battle, is it? Hopefully, cause one bag of shades and shots of thing off of them one another. So we are gonna jump in everything. Alright people, so whenever blessing up in the starting of the video, so bless up on yourself before watching. Alright, so Amari and Gully Bop are diss up them one another. And first and foremost, I'm making an ear piece of the song. You see me, have both of them. You see me, so Amari said son come forward to social media and make that post here and say this about Gully Bop. First, after the song where him drop, say no, say it on for real.
Because the only toy you know about is your tongue. Unfortunately, your tongue was meant to DJ, but you've been wobbling so much that you forgot how to DJ. Nico.
I know nothing about Bop, then I know nothing about Bop. Them I get flop, girl you a big and the
really and truly people, I don't know what inspire or to transpire that to we. Is it? But honestly, should I say Gully Bop no fi use him tongue better than anything else, basically. So he man really DJ like that. Or maybe at that she say. I mean she say that make him can DJ, so the only thing him can use, you see me. But big man thing, man I rate that what she just do. As me say, I really that girl is just mad, cause like at Jamaica this my friend and a foreigner there, my girl. Them thing I wouldn't do them thing about just say, you get me people. Yeah, when you do them thing there, you just look like a big bow cat. You see me, I wonder how she looks so. You see me? She need for bail man people, you see it? Yeah man, so on the other hand, Gully Bop a defense price. And the rest of artists them, and the man tell her straight up say, yo, you know say your mouth put you in a problem. You see it? And a knee come mash up your life and your mouth, so your man decide wicked and the truth. Some simple line the man I use. And it just the truth, you see it? And them say make the truth be told and it's real. You see me? So I don't know if I truth she say. You see me? But the dog don't tell her nice song say mouth. Him no use that. Alright people, so I'm supposed to know Twep Twep though. So when I have to go in like that, so here we go on. She said son defend Ivany after the girl come forward and report say yo Ivany scam her. You see me, as in for saying that Shamar scam her money. You see me, so as me I say still you know Ivany so what she say what she for say and Twep Twep come defend her in all different ways. Is it so? With Twep Twep I say me that for tune in but now I go tell her like so. It take me a while, so I'm just go on meds where she says, is it?
Tell it's there.
You still let me call you?
Sorry.
Fun and joke aside, now all the games on the show. Carries with you?
Yeah.
You're free now. Barney, good for my turn. Everybody good for my turn. Men about nothing, you understand? But at the end of the day, if you dep on Instagram so long, listen, don't get me wrong, you know, I'm not say what you do right, you know. But as I show you, because everybody wrong.
Yeah.
If you dep on Instagram and see this girl a sell page randomly, where she get the page from? You must keep sharp teeth them to get them wrong and right. Alright then. When you come to her now for the business, remember you've been here, people are post up Ivany and say, people, is Ivany rap me this, Ivany rap me that, Ivany rap me this, Ivany rap me that, right? You still go out of the way, and you still go spend your money with this same girl. Gonna keep on and say, rap people same way, don't you?
True.
Renee 630 did have 600 ad followers and Ivany take it. Don't Renee 630 they do business.
Right.
Alright, so why Instagram and see Ivany walk a teeth page, Ivany sell page, Ivany scam the people and for them money for them page. Why you keep on going to Ivany for page? That's what me want to know.
I got me a talk about.
Tell the truth now, it's wrong. Ivany's fucking wrong. I'm a little friend, but it's wrong. But truth is truth. Everybody depend. You bad woman and money, you been no say scammer out. Why you keep on going to this fucking scammer? Eh? It's a 50-50 chance it come like this. You got the embassy, they owe that woman tell if you ever get it, you're not man now, babe. You're wrong. Me and Ivany could have look for go to Ivany for buy a page from Ivany. All when you have Ivany, good sugar scam you. All if your eyelash sugar take off your face, sugar scam you. No, it's just the truth, Lava. Remember, you transact this money to this girl, you know. You don't know her background, you don't know which part she live in. Ivany is a white line, you know. She's like the white line in the road, you know. You don't know which part she there, you know. So how can you tell somebody to send her money to? Remember, you've been a ear, Ivany put his thing. You've been a ear, this and that. First of all, if your ear so much, this girl's will think about Ivany. Teeth page, put his thing, why never go to Ivany same way?
And listen what I'm saying to you, Twep. This sting pussy argument.
Yeah.
Like
I'm not like that.
Yeah, hold on. Still a linger. Listen,
Yeah.
it's just probably a situation at the time, look, infection hour, boom, and it gone. Pussy probably not stink again. I'm just saying, you get me come back? But we know all we people see it as cuss. But we all want something, and that's what we're going to eat it with.
Yeah, but Lava, what me I say to you is, your ears to the Chinaman, them a skin dog and a sell dog. You go over there go buy chicken back from them?
Patty.
Patty then. Patty, you go over there go buy patty from them?
No.
It's the same thing. She's not wrong. It's the same like when a man can call and say, you just win $1 million and go to your door front to see a big Jeep out there.
Yeah.
Your ear about the scammer them, so you know what to look out for when them coming here.
I'm up to skitty to the thing.
You understand? But at the end of the day, Ivany could have given her back her 3 bills. Would have said give her back the church, you understand? But at the end of the day, when it's 6:30 other people cry for them page too, why you want to use the promotion for a page or cry for? This is what me talk about. You know, say if police will I do, she will get to her, you know why? She never go in her account feed. It's you come to her. You don't know this girl from Adams. And you send $300 first, and you send the next 3 again. And you been a ear this from last year. Ivany teeth page. Ivany this. Ivany, where you get the page from where you sell? You know, say, I make it up. We've been here, say, TV people and page. So
boy, I just say, go here, man.
Me for promote for Renee 630, $700 page. Okay, right? Happy, you know, I make my money over Renee over this. A box of all for sing one dog. It's unfair. The two sides them wrong. Yeah. I couldn't use the blue tick I sell on Instagram and go buy a blue tick from Ivany. Me know Ivany a leave me for sick. There must be blood clot, man. Me know Ivany a leave me for sick. Yeah, man.
Manalai, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
At the end of the day, the people them come at 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different set of people come and talk about Ivany robbed me, Ivany scammed me. When they look 10 more gone back again in a lava.
True.
After the 6, you know, 10 more gone again, you know, gone by, you know.
True, you talk. Yeah, as you say, put for and joke aside. Listen what I'm saying to you, Twep.
Yeah.
Put for and joke aside still as what you say from the get-go.
Yeah.
But with you with that one, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, because everybody done,
We know Ivany a thief. Yeah,
Yeah,
so,
but I will look a friend. We look a thief and friend that.
Exactly, but what you say is like, people are saying you want her, and you pick side. You cannot pick side because at the end of the day, you can't go to Ivany and say, Ivany, when the people come to you for money, don't take it. Remember, you know, they must send the money before them get the page, you know.
Yeah.
So that really go down, really and truly, that she say about Ivany, guys. But at the end of the video, so please consider subscribing if you're new, share to a friend or your family. But until next time, I'm out and bless up YouTube.